was a port being built in Germany. The port was going to get completed by 2030. And then what happened was that they realized that drones today can carry a certain X amount of weight, and they last from battery duration point of view for a certain number of minutes. Now, in every 9 months, the capacity of the drone, both in terms of battery as well as the capacity to sort of carry the weight, is doubling. So let's say you can carry only 500 kilos today. The drone can do that for 20 minutes. Now, in 9 months, it's going to become 1 ton. Then in 9 months, it's going to become 2 tons, then 4, then 8, then 16, then 32. So just imagine if the largest containers are 100 tons, in 6 to 8 years, each of these drones will be able to last for a few hours and carry X amount of tons, which is the biggest containers on a ship. Then why do you need a port? Basically, the drones could pick up the containers and then straight away load them into a truck. So you would have one port, the existing port, which will cover very, very unique containers which don't fit the norm. The rest of the things could be done by drones. So they actually shelved the project of building a port. But just imagine what it does to the infrastructure industry. Can you basically look back and predict all the different industries that will get disrupted with these exponential technologies? And that's how you look at digital.